You want a website, but actually getting your website online still sounds like a daunting task on the same level as slaying a dragon? Well, let me be your mighty sword and help you with that slaying. I mean, website hosting. Whether you're starting from scratch, moving an existing site, or already have website files ready to upload, this How to Host a Website tutorial is for you. And to follow along, check out my special discount link below or scan the QR code on screen for the latest Hostinger hosting deals. Okay, so everybody has already clicked that special discount link and we're all on the Hostinger pricing page, right? Right? Good. First step. Now, I won't waste your time explaining what is hosting in general. You probably already have at least some knowledge here. When choosing a plan, the type of website you're building determines which website hosting subscription you need. If you're creating a portfolio, business page, or landing page, that's considered a static website. So we can go with the premium plan, which will be more than enough. If you're building a large blog, online store, or a membership site, that's a dynamic website. In that case, choose the unlimited subscription and let's move to the checkout page. Now, sure, we could go for a virtual private server or cloud hosting, but shared web hosting can't be beat for beginners. It's affordable, fast enough for almost any personal or small business website, and requires very little technical knowledge. If you're starting fresh, all plans for a year or longer include a free domain registration through Hostinger. So when choosing your domain name, keep it short, easy to remember, and avoid numbers and hyphens whenever possible. If it's available, try to get a custom domain ending in .com. Once you've found the URL you want, register it. Then we need to choose the billing period. If you have the budget, go for the 48-month plan, as it offers the lowest price over the longest term. After selecting your preferences and completing the purchase, your hosting account will be ready within minutes. Now comes the fun part, actually hosting a website and getting it online. If you already have a website hosted elsewhere, Hostinger offers an automatic migration tool that transfers your site in just a few minutes with almost no manual work required. It works only with WordPress-based sites, but all you need to do is provide the login credentials and the devs at Hostinger will do the rest. Yes, it's that simple. If you already have website files stored on your computer, you can upload your website to the internet using the built-in tools. When you put a website online, if you're unsure where the files belong, Hostinger's AI assistant can guide you through the correct folders and help troubleshoot any problems along the way. And if you mess something up, there's also a built-in WordPress Troubleshooter that can automatically fix common issues without needing to contact support. But that's if you're already packing. If you're starting completely from scratch, you've actually got 3 different options. You can build your website with traditional WordPress, use the AI website builder, or create a custom web application with Horizons. All 3 options are included in your subscription. The Builder and WordPress have no usage limits, while Horizons uses a separate token system. For most people though, Hostinger WordPress offers the best balance between flexibility and simplicity, especially now that WordPress itself includes a growing collection of AI-powered tools. Okay, so to actually build your site, simply start the AI website creation wizard. Yep, there's no technical setup here. You answer a few questions about your business or project, then let the AI generate the initial website. I like that you can choose your editor, either Gutenberg or Elementor. If you want a classic WordPress experience, go with Gutenberg. For something a bit more streamlined, Elementor is a great starting point. Just keep in mind that to get the most out of Elementor, you'll probably want to subscribe to the Pro version, but it's well worth the investment. For this tutorial, let's stick with the regular Gutenberg version. Within a few minutes, you'll have a complete website ready to customize. If you want to make changes, you can edit everything visually using the WordPress block editor, moving sections around without touching a single line of code. However, if you do want to see the code, you can switch the editor modes from this side menu. Everything here is really simple. You add an element with the plus icon, move it around, and edit that element's options in the right-hand menu. Then before publishing, you can preview how your site will look. If everything looks good, click Publish Website to make your very first page or post accessible to the world. Your website is now live. I won't go into too many details here since all of you have different goals you're trying to achieve, but you can find more in-depth WordPress tutorials by subscribing to the channel. And that's really all there is to how to host a website in 2026. With one of the best website hosting providers like Hostinger, it takes more effort to break your site than it does to get your website online. If you want more detailed tutorials on editing your WordPress website, improving your design, or using all of Hostinger's AI tools, let me know in the comments because I'd be happy to cover those next. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the latest Hostinger deal using the link below, and I'll catch you in the next one.